Hi, my name is Skylar. These are the 3 Chartreuse that I had in this stone. So, first is the Artudas stone. This is the Artudas stone. Right here. Look at those veins and the golden rims and all that stuff. And now, I got the Sand Tiger Chartreuse. Look at that. And I got the Artudas Chartreuse. And look at all those veins in the bottom. You can imagine that you can feel them. Well, thank you to Walmart Spark Reviewer. Thank you to Walmart. And I hope you like our video. Check our other Spark Reviewers that we got last summer or 2 years ago. Bye-bye.